fun to film. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that, and please bear with me, there is drilling going on in my house, so this video might have some drilling in the background. But today I'm going to be showing you some really interesting products. I recently started a makeup course where they buy the kit for you and then you just pay for it. So yeah, they get like the products on like a real big discount, so that's why it suits us, because we're paying for a cheaper price for the kits and getting all these amazing products. So what I'm going to do is show you what I got and then give you the total of how much it actually costs versus how much I paid. Okay, so I'm not going to include the disposable things. Those are things that we had to buy ourselves, things like cotton wool, facial wipes, earbuds, that kind of stuff. I'm not going to include that because I had to purchase that myself. But starting off, I have this. This is a makeup brush set. It's beautiful. The quality of the brushes are absolutely incredible. They are so fluffy. In comparison, I already had a brush set which I got for real cheap, and I mean the brushes are not bad quality, like they do okay, they get the job done. But these brushes, I can just tell you now, are so fluffy, and I'm 100% so excited to use these. Yeah, I can just tell that my quality of makeup is just going to go up, because once you get a makeup brush kit that is professional, it automatically makes your job a lot easier. So super excited about that. But this is the set. There are 24 brushes, and yeah, these are all Creative Glamour, the brand Creative Glamour. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but yeah, the Creative Glamour. It's a brand that is really good quality. I don't know exactly how much all of these cost, so I'm going to put the price in the corner. I don't know which corner I'm going to put it in, but I'm going to show you how much this costs, and then at the end I'm going to calculate it and show you the difference in prices on what you would have paid versus what I paid with the discount and all of that. So yeah, next up I have red cherry eyelashes. These are so pretty. There are 5 pairs, and it says that it's 100% human hair. That sounds really gross, but I mean, at least it's not animal hair, so yeah. It's not tested, that's a good thing. Creative Glamour is not tested. I'm pretty sure it's not. I want to double check that before I tell you that it's not tested and then you go out and buy and then it actually is tested. So yeah, the answer to that's going to be in the screen there. Okay, the order that I'm doing this is literally as I'm grabbing it out the bag, so there's no particular order. But yeah, next up I have Creative Glamour setting spray. So it's just like a little setting spray in a bottle. I mean, you know. And then, which is super interesting, I have this. It's still in its packaging because I haven't used it yet, but this is a cape. So you know when you go and you get your hair done and they always have that like cape that goes over you so that the hair doesn't go on your clothing? Yeah, they have the same thing for makeup. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. I didn't even think about that. Like, I'd never thought about giving clients a cape to wear to protect their clothing. So now I have one, and this is a Creative Glamour cape. I should have probably attached this with the eyelashes, but I just have this eyelash glue. This is by the brand I don't know. Yeah, it's just eyelash glue. I don't know what else to say. Okay, then I have Creative Glamour mattifying face primer. So yeah, although I think mine is broken, I just need to speak to my makeup course lecturers about it, because it is missing the tube. It's like a little spray bottle, but it's missing the tube to spray it, so I might have to get this replaced. I mean, I've just dropped it on the floor, but it's gonna stay there until the end of the video. But yeah, then I have this. I don't actually know what the brand is. It is a sharpener, not like a pencil sharpener, I mean like a makeup pencil sharpener. Like, I'm not going to use this to sharpen my crayons, no. But yeah, then I have this, which is a mascara. It is Bayolishi makeup, I don't know, but yeah, it's quite a cool little bottle actually. It's got like glitter in it. It kind of looks like the galaxy. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, moving on. Okay, then I have 3 products. There are, some of them are lip liners and some of them are eyeliners, but I suppose you can use them on both. So I have a black, a brown, and a nude color. Yeah, so, and that is all by the brand MIB. The logo kind of looks like the MAC logo, but yeah, I don't know if these are tested or not, like at all, so can't recommend them to you. The answer will be on the screen though. Moving onwards, we have a gel eyeliner by Creative Glamour. It's in the shade 01. It's just black, but yeah. Then I have a few glitters. I have the one from Crayolan, which is, I don't think they have another shade because it's just this. It's just like a confetti kind of thing. It's really cute, so yeah. Then I have 2 shades from Creative Glamour. This one is in Gold Glitz and this one is in Olive. And then to apply the glitter, I have this melty gel from Crayolan, which I'm super excited to start using. Then again for eyes, I just have these spoolies. That is because obviously we can't be using the same mascara wand on every single client. It's unhygienic, so I have a few extra ones. I'm obviously gonna have to buy more of these, but they obviously just give you a starter pack and then thereafter you have to purchase your own. Then more products from Crayolan. I have a translucent powder and I have a fixing powder, and the one's in like a yellowy kind of color and the other one's just white. So yeah, and Crayolan is not tested. So then I have a little black powder puff. I've never used these before. I don't know, I've just never really found the need to use them, and they're kind of difficult to clean, so don't really use them, but like a brush is easier to clean, so I don't know. Okay, so we are progressively moving closer and closer to the most exciting part of the video. But I have 3 products for cleaning, because obviously you need to clean your, not cleaning as in like cleaning products like as if you're gonna clean a house or something. I mean cleaning as in cleaning your face. So I have this, which is a gel cleanser by Salon Care, yeah. So this is a cleanser for oily and problematic skin. I wouldn't recommend this to hypersensitive skin people, because I tried putting it on my boyfriend and his eye started burning because I put it on his eye, and he's got hypersensitive skin and sensitive eyes and all of that, so it was a bit of a train smash. So if you have hypersensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend this to you. Next I have a skin toner, which is really cool because I've never seen a toner in like a spray bottle. So it works really nicely because you just have to spray your client and their skin is toned, but this is obviously again for oily people. Also wouldn't recommend this to sensitive skin, not just hypersensitive skin, but even if you just have a little bit of sensitive skin. It's got this ingredient called witch hazel in it, which is definitely not good for sensitive skin. So yeah, also by the brand Salon Care. And finally I have the moisturizer. This is moisturizer number 1 for normal to combination skin. And yeah, this works really well. I've tried this on my own skin. I mean, I've tried all those products on my skin, but this is really nice. Like, it really makes my skin feel super soft, like silky smooth. So yeah, really like this. Might just buy it for myself depending on how pricey it is, because I don't actually know how much it is, but yeah. Okay, then this is kind of like a bit of a boring thing to show you. It's just a headband. It's a little wet because I washed it, but yeah, it's just a headband to keep people's hair back. And then I have 2 face sponges so that I can clean people's face. They are a little floppy because they're wet, but yeah, they're just 2 pink sponges. And then the weirdest of all, I have a little bucket. And this is because when I'm doing makeup on clients, I can just throw away anything that is dirty or have been used into the little bucket. So if there's like a cotton wool pad that I've used on the person to clean their face, I chuck it in there instead of contaminating the table surface, which is really handy because I've never had to do that before, or I've never thought of that before. So yeah. Okay, now we are at the most exciting parts. These are the palettes I'm going to show you. Probably the bulk of where the expense is going to come from, but yeah, super excited to show you, so yeah. Okay, starting with the smallest, I have Creative Glamour. This is a lip palette. So this is it. It is beautiful. Oh my word, I'm so excited to use all these colors. Yeah, so I don't know how much this is worth. I know that it's very expensive though, because I mean, it's really good quality. And yeah, so that's the lipstick. Up next, I have the Holy Grail. This is Crayolan. It is all the foundations. This is probably the most expensive item in the kit. Super amped about it. So, okay, so this is the products. They're foundations, and I also have 3 color concealers. I'm pretty sure that all of these are also concealers as well. But if you're worried for all my darker friends, don't worry, because there's another layer. So yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can find a color for whatever skin tone you are here, because there's a lot. But yeah, super excited about that. Moving onwards, I have 3 Creative Glamour eyeshadow palettes. Whew, these are the last 3 items. So the first one I have is just the natural one. They're a bit difficult to open. I've got to learn how to open up them properly. But this is the natural eyeshadow palette, and oh my word, guys, this is like literally what, like this is just me. This is right up my street. Yeah, especially like all these shades, because I really like the coppery, browny, bronzy shades for my eyeshadow. So super amped about this. Next, I have the color palette. This is also my favorite because I love being creative and I love just experimenting with different colors. So yeah, wow guys, I'm really gonna have some fun experimenting with all these colors. Yeah, I just need to find more models that are more comfortable with me doing really creative, unusual looks, because it's kind of difficult to find people like that. But yeah, then I have the shimmer palette. These are all shimmer shimmer shades. The only disappointment is that this is missing a shade. When it arrived, because these were all delivered to us, mine was missing. Ooh, oh goodness, I nearly dropped the whole thing. That would have been tragic. But yeah, when I got mine was missing, so we just ordered a new one, so that's coming soon. But yeah, this is the palette. This shade that is missing is Dusty. It is a gold tone if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so that is the shimmers palette, and that is everything. I'm actually lying, there is one more thing, and that is just the bag that it came in. This is just like a Perspex clear bag, just to hold everything in it. We do have the option to buy other makeup bags, like a nylon makeup bag or a rose gold makeup case, but I decided to just use this one because I'm going to be using that every single day. I need to bring it in every single day to campus, and I don't want to risk ruining my expensive makeup case that I already have. So yeah, this is just going to be the case that I'm using to transport it back and forth. But when I go to clients, I'm going to be using my actual fancy makeup case so that it looks professional. So yeah, but yeah, that is everything. Super excited about all of it. That brings me to the total costs. So if you were to buy this from the shop online, this is how much you would pay. And if you were like me and you got it from a course, you pay this much. Well, this is how much I paid. But yeah, I'm super excited about this course. It's big changes for me, and yeah, I can't wait to actually start doing makeup. But yeah, I'll obviously keep you updated with what I'm learning and check back in every so often about how it's going. Let me know in the comments what you think of all my makeup, and yeah, I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys are, but yeah, I'm super excited. So that is it from me. This is my cat Bella. She is very uncomfortable, but yeah, goodbye from us. We will see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys.